It's movie time. Go ahead, have a seat, sit down. I want to ask all you guys this. Do all of you guys like movies? So we're going to watch 3 movies. You need to tell me which video is showing respect and why. Here we go. So our first one is, what's our first movie? Have you ever heard of Scooby-Doo before? Does Scooby-Doo scare you? No? Alright, well let's see. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Now that you're a young adult, you'll need to learn societal do's and don'ts. Interaction between young people is polite and casual.
Hey, sorry, bro. I'm a boss, not funky TikTok.
Let's see how the situation should be handled. Remember, today's young people have a language all their own.
Sorry, bro.
No big whoop, dog. Yo, did you catch that new vid on the box?
True that. I'm up to snizzle on all popular trends.
Word.
Alright, so which video, everyone, showed respect? The first one or the second one, everyone? The second one, why? Why did the second one show respect?
Because they use good manners.
Good answer. Alright, number 2, my favorite cartoon. Everyone say Ed, Ed, and Eddie. So we're going to, now all of you need to tell me if Sarah, everyone say Sarah. Are there any Sarahs in the crowd? No, okay. Well, there's a girl named Sarah. And this girl named Sarah is going to meet this boy named Eddie. I want to say hello, Eddie. So we're going to see if Sarah is showing Eddie respect. Here we go.
This is very easy, White Stripe Eddie.
I got it, Earl. I just have to be a good neighbor and I'll get it back. Piece of cake.
Remember, Eddie, mind your manners.
Good afternoon, neighbor. I baked you a pie and...
Hello, everybody home?
Uh-oh.
Remember, Eddie, manners, it's our last chance. So, what's the matter? Can't you talk? Are you a baby?
I baked you a pie and...
My name is Andy, and I wear a big, stinky diaper.
Oh, neighbor, I just thought...
Goo, goo, goo.
Excuse me, neighbor.
Aw, is baby gonna cry?
Oh my gosh. What happened here, everyone? What happened in this video?
Daddy, they use good manner.
Go ahead, Peter.
was teasing.
Teasing. And what was one of our main respect rules? Should you be bullying or teasing somebody by showing respect? No, of course not. All right, and we have one more. Yes. My other favorite cartoon when I was a kid. Does everyone know what Clifford the Big Red Dog is?
Yeah.
All right, so let's see how Clifford the Big Red Dog teaches us respect.
Wow, T-Bone, your sandcastle looks great.
It sure does, T.
Huh.
Thanks. I did the whole thing all by myself.
Clifford and I know that it's always important to be thoughtful of other people's feelings and ideas. That's why Clifford's big idea for today is respect. You know what would make it even better, though? A great big flag.
No, I think it's great just the way it is.
There. Now it needs a big wall.
No, it doesn't.
Cleo, this is T-Bone's castle. Before you change it, you should find out if he wants you to.
I'm sorry. Next time I'll remember to ask first. Sometimes our friends have thoughts and feelings that are different from ours. When we take the time to find out about those differences, it shows how much we care. That's why Clifford's big idea for today is respect.
All right. So everyone, it's time for a pop quiz, my favorite. Everyone say pop quiz. So each grade will have a chance. Grade 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You need to tell Mr. Atwell and all the other teachers if you know the examples of respect. And if you do, whoever answers will get one prize. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Okay, number 1. It says, which sentence is an example of showing respect? Is it A, saying hello and goodbye to your teachers? Or is it B, seeing trash on the floor and not picking it up? This is grade 1? Nope, this is grade 1. Anyone in grade 1 would try? Oh, yes, this person over here. This young man, yeah. What's his name?
Lionel.
Oh, Lionel, yes. Hi, Lionel. Thank you, Nina.
Say hello to teachers and say goodbye.
Very good. Yes. All right. Everyone, due to time, because there was one more game we're going to play, due to time, we're just going to do one more question. All right, number 2. This is for everybody now. It says, which one is not showing respect? Everyone say not. Which one is not showing respect? There might be more than one answer. Is it A, raising your hand before you speak? Is it B, picking your nose in front of people? Is it C, covering your mouth while you're sneezing? No, all right. Or is it D, cutting in line and not waiting your turn? There might be more than one answer. Which one is it? Everybody. One more time. B and D. Everyone, since you guys done a marvelous job, our final game is only 1 minute, and this will show if all of you understand respect. Whichever grade wins this game will have the special prize right here in this box. Nina, come on up. Yes. Now, once again, whoever wins this game will get the special prize. Everybody, are you ready? Yeah! All right, here we go. Let's see if it... Oops. Nope.
Go to the next page.
Nope. Not that one. Nope. Not this one. And... Oh, there it is, right there. And... This was one of my favorite games when I was a kid, so let's see if you guys will like it. All right, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, and grade 5. There are 4 colors here. You have to choose green, yellow, pink, or orange. Whoever wins gets the special prize. Talk to your grade, talk to your teachers. Let's go. You guys got 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Talk to your grade. Talk to your teacher. Who's your lead? 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, time's up. Attention. Grade 1, what is your color? Yellow. Okay, grade 2. Green. Okay, grade 3. What? Oh, orange. Grade 4. Green and Chris's grade 5? Yellow. All right, here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Remember, whoever wins will show respect to each other. Uh-oh, let's see who's going to win. Uh-oh. Oh, orange at the ball. Oh, no. Orange. Oh. No. Oh, it's getting smaller. Uh-oh. Getting smaller. Oh, it's getting Congratulations. All right. Who was green, everyone? Who was green? Grade who? Grade 4 and? Grade 1.